Hello everyone, myself Janvi Ahuja. I am back yet again. We are always arranging some time to bring some fun for you because we love you. Are you wondering what's special for today? Yes, you wonderful people, we brought some interesting things for you. Well, you must be willing to become master in English, isn't it? In order to speak fluent and correct English, you want to know the tricks, right? You might have heard about the use of articles. Yes, it is the important component of English. So you want to know more about them? Let's get some information about it. Kids, this is something that you should learn very attentively. There are three articles. Yes, only three articles, and they are a, and the. Absolutely, kids. These three words are known as articles. Before starting to our topic, as we all know, our English alphabet family has 26 letters, in which 5 letters are called vowels, and they are A, E, I, O, U. And rest of the remaining letters are called consonants, and they are B, D, F, G, H, etc. A and N are usually seen with one person, one place, one animal, and one object. Though they are twins, both have different hobbies. Article A is usually seen with the nouns that begin with consonants. So let's see some example. Here the first word is ball, B-A-L-L, ball. The first letter of the ball is B, and B is a consonant, so here article A will be used. So we should write here A. Coming to the next word, that is pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. The first letter of the word is P, and that is also a consonant. So here also we will write A. Coming to the next word, that is cycle, C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. The first letter of the cycle is C. Again, C is a consonant. So here also we will write A. We'll see some more examples of article A. A cow, a dog, a bus, a school, a van. Examples which I have shown you, you must got a clear idea that any word that begin with consonants, there we have to use the article A. Coming to the next article N. Article N like to listen the noun beginning with vowel sounds, and that vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. So here I will explain you article A and N by giving some example. Like जो भी words के आगे vowel sound use होते हैं, जैसे कि A, E, I, O, U, तो हम A and N use करते हैं. Let's see the examples. First word is I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Here the first letter is I. I is an vowel, तो हम यहाँ पर A and N use करेंगे. Coming to the next word, that is E-double-G, egg. First letter is E. E is also an vowel, so here A and N will be used. Coming to the next word, that is O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Here the first letter is O. O is also a vowel, So here also we will use a and an. We'll see some more example through pictures. An orange, an egg, an apple, an elephant, an arrow. So from these examples which I have shown, you must got a clear idea that any word that begins with vowel sounds, there we have to use article N. Coming to the next article, the. Article the is used before a noun that refers to only one thing of its kind and which is very special. So here I will explain you article the by giving some examples. Article the is used before some special or specific things. So let's see some examples. Here the first word is G-A-N-G-A, Ganga. Ganga is a holy river of Hindus and which is very famous. So here article the will be used. Next word is E-A-R-T-H, earth. Earth is only one which is very special for all the living humans. So here also article the will come. Next, S-U-N, sun. In whole world there is only one sun. So here also article the will come. Let's see some more example through pictures. The moon, the Holy Quran, the sun, the Holy Bible, the Taj Mahal. So from these examples which I have shown, you must got a clear idea where article the will be used. You must have understood that articles are the basics of English grammar. You know, in order to speak fluent English, articles are very first test. So, know them, adopt them and make your friends too. Here I have attached some assignments which will be helpful to you to clear your concept of articles. Do practice at home of these assignments. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.